Hi everyone, so let's solve this guesstimate together. And the question is how many pens are bought in India in a day? So don't think of a random number, we will be building the answer step by step. So we all know when we do a guesstimate, we always start with the base. So first, we are taking India's population as 140 crores. But obviously not all 140 crores are going to use and buy pen every day, right? So the real question is not how many people, but the real question is who actually uses pen. And the easiest way to answer this is by dividing on the basis of age group. So we are dividing our data on the basis of age group 0 to 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 60 to 80. Kind of dividing them among children, young people, working adults and senior citizens, right? So first of all, we have to divide the total number of population, that is 140 crores among these different age groups. So we are taking in 0 to 10, there is 10% of the population. For 10 to 30, 30% of the population, then 30 and 30, right? Moving on, we calculate the total numbers. Now, in age 0 to 10, not each and everyone is buying a pen, right? So we are taking an assumption that only 10% of the people buys pen. In 10 to 30, as most of the people are using pen under this age group, so we're taking as 80%, then again 80, and as we come to senior citizens, we are taking it as 50%, a little lesser, right? So what are we getting after adding all these numbers is the total number of population who is going to purchase a pen, and that comes out to be 88.4 crores, right? But there is a catch in this. Now here's an important thought that people don't buy pens daily. So instead of daily, it's much easier to think in terms of like how many pens they use per month. So let's take that under these age groups, 0 to 10 age group, there is 1 pen per month that is being bought, then 4 pens, then 3 pens and 1 pen. We multiply, we calculate, and the total number that we get is 260 crores approximately, right? That is for the month. So these are the total number of pens that are being bought by India in a month, right? But what we were supposed to calculate is for a day. So what we are going to do, we would be dividing 260 crores by 30, 8.6 crores. So we all know that in guesstimates that we are doing, the exact number is never the goal. But what matters is the logical segmentation. Even we say realistic assumptions that we took 80%, 80%, depending upon the reasoning that you are giving.